Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix that frustrating "sorry, you've been blocked" message from Cloudflare when you're simply trying to visit a website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know why this block happens, the steps to resolve it, and how to regain access so you won't be stuck staring at that error screen ever again. Let's dive right in. First off, if you're seeing this message, don't panic. Most of the time, Cloudflare blocks are temporary and triggered by things like your browser settings, your IP address, or sometimes even a simple mix-up that isn't your fault at all. The good news is you can often fix it yourself, and I'll show you exactly how. Start by checking if you're using a VPN or a proxy. Cloudflare's protection system is on the lookout for potential threats. And VPNs, especially the free or shared ones, can use IP addresses that other people have used for malicious activity in the past. If you're connected to a VPN or proxy right now, just turn it off. Give your browser window a refresh. I know some of us use VPNs for privacy, but for this step, it's best to test with a direct connection. This simple change resolves access issues for tons of people. If you're still blocked, next up is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Why does this matter? Well, sometimes corrupted or outdated site data gets stored in your browser and confuses Cloudflare's security checks. Think of it as holding onto an expired ticket to an event. Nothing wrong on your part, but it just won't scan anymore. Clear the cache and cookies just for that specific site if you can. This won't log you out everywhere. You're just giving your browser a fresh start with that one website. After clearing, reload the page and see if you're back in, still stuck. Let's take a look at your extensions. Ad blockers, privacy plugins, or even certain security add-ons can interfere with Cloudflare scripts that run quietly in the background. For troubleshooting, temporarily disable all your browser extensions. I know browsing feels a little naked without our trusty ad blocker, but this is just to check if one of them is setting off a false alarm. Try reloading the site. If it works, you can turn your extensions back on one by one to see which one is causing the issue. Now, if none of those steps fix it, it might be your network or your IP address that's being flagged. Sometimes your internet provider gives you an IP address that someone else used before, and their activity may have triggered a block. Here's what you can do. Switch your connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around and see if that lets you through. Alternatively, restart your Wi-Fi router. This sometimes gets you a fresh IP address from your internet provider, which could bypass the block entirely. And if you're still unable to access the site after all of this, you're not out of options. Scroll down on the error page itself. You'll see something called a Cloudflare Array ID. It's like a tracking number for your specific blocked session. Copy that number, then look for contact info for the website owner, maybe an email address or a social media handle. Reach out, let them know you've been blocked, and include your Array ID. Only they have the power to manually unblock you, and providing this info really helps them resolve it faster. I hope this guide has made those cryptic Cloudflare error messages a lot less scary. If this helped you, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got questions or want to share your experience, drop a comment below. I do read them. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.